Have you ever left your car sitting for a few weeks, only to find the engine completely dead? How long can a vehicle actually sit before real damage occurs? Most cars can safely sit for about 2 weeks. Beyond that, you are risking expensive repairs. Even when turned off, modern vehicles constantly drain power for security systems and onboard computers, quickly depleting the battery. But the electrical system isn't the only problem. When a car is totally inactive, gasoline begins to degrade and leave behind a gummy residue. Condensation builds up inside the engine, causing hidden corrosion. The constant weight of the vehicle pressing on the same patch of rubber can even cause permanent tire flat spotting. Many drivers try to prevent this by letting the car idle for 5 minutes a week. That is actually a huge mistake. Starting the engine consumes massive power, and a quick idle doesn't give the alternator time to replace it. Instead, you need a solid 20-minute drive to fully recharge the battery and circulate vital fluids. Even electric vehicles face this, as their 12-volt batteries easily die during storage. If your car must sit for over a month, skip the idling.
That should do it.
Invest in a smart battery maintainer and slightly overinflate your tires to keep your vehicle in perfect shape.